One thing that we've learned from our international travels is that the travel gear that you bring with you can dramatically enhance your experience. So in this video, we're gonna share 10 awesome travel items that you can get on Amazon. Hey guys, I'm Nick.
And I'm Allie.
And we're away together. And this video is part of a recurring series we do on our channel where we show you useful travel products that you can get on Amazon.
This video is not sponsored. These are items that we thought were cool, purchased with our own money, and wanted to show you guys.
It's so good to have you here. Let's dive in. For those liquids that are essential to you but maybe don't come in a travel size, look no further than these convenient silicone bottles by Gravel. Now, we use something similar to these for a couple of years now, but I consider these to be a major upgrade for two reasons. One, they were designed to nest together when you pack them, which is really nice for saving space in your toiletry bag. And two, they come pre-baked with a bunch of different labels. All you gotta do is turn, there's a little thing in here that you can turn to change the label. This is a really easy way to take products that you already use, that you already love, with you on your trip, even if they don't come in that 3-ounce size, and you're not having to rely on whatever the hotel or the Airbnb may or may not have. Okay, everybody needs a toothbrush, right? And I really hope that you're bringing one with you on your trip. I actually just came from the dentist this morning, and it was funny because they were like, dude, you need to start using an electric toothbrush. And I told them I actually just bought this. This is the Philips One by Sonicare. And I like that it is sleek and lightweight, but it also comes with this handy case. I don't know, there's something maybe kind of gross to me about sticking my toothbrush just straight into the pocket of my toiletry bag. So I like this for travel.
I actually used this toothbrush on our 6-month trip, and I loved it because it is electric and it ran on a single AAA battery and it lasted for the entire trip, but I think technically it lasts for like 3 months at minimum. And it comes in a lot of super cute colors and has replaceable brush heads so that you can replace out if the bristles on the brush get all gross. And definitely something that I would recommend for travel as well as your dental health. If you're like me and you like to stay organized while you travel, especially when it comes to all of your toiletries and your makeup, then I would recommend a silicone makeup brush travel case. This one is made of silicone and comes highly rated on Amazon. It's a sleek design, it comes with a magnetic closure, and it holds full-size makeup brushes. That way your brushes aren't mixed in with all your makeup product and getting dirty and gross and just all in your bag. You can stay organized and clean with this case. It's not uncommon when traveling by air that bottles inside of your bag can leak because of the pressure changes in the cabin. And if you're not gonna have handy leak-proof silicone bottles like this for your liquids, and you're gonna bring travel size, TSA compliant liquids in their original bottles, then I recommend getting these silicone molded bottle toppers. These help ensure that your products don't leak inside of your bag all over the place. They're very stretchy, so they can fit a variety of different bottle size and types. They come back to their original shape, and they're very easy to clean off with just a little bit of water, so you can feel safe about your products not leaking in your bag. And they look kind of weird.
Yeah.
Hey, so if you're getting value out of this video, please consider giving it a like so that YouTube will know to suggest it to other travelers like you.
Okay, this next one is a recent find for me that I'm really excited about. I love this portable power strip, and I've actually carried something similar for a couple of years now, but it doesn't pack down very small. And that's why I like this one a lot. As you can see, it fits in the palm of my hand. It's only 8 ounces if weight matters to you. And you can charge up to 5 devices. It's got 2 AC outlets, 2 USB, and then a USB-C. And I think the design is really thoughtful because it's meant for the cord to be wrapped around. And then it's got this built-in rubber band that keeps it nice and snug. Toss this in your backpack, toss it in your luggage. Definitely something I'm gonna hang on to and start traveling with. Okay, so this next item, I think I've inadvertently helped this company sell like 5,000 of these and they don't even know it. This is the Universal Travel Adapter by Epicka. And I love this thing. It's one of the best Amazon purchases I've ever made. You can charge up to 6 devices at once, AC. It's got 4 USB slots and a USB-C. It works in the EU, the UK, the USA, Australia. It's got like over 10,000 reviews on Amazon, 4.7 stars. It's around $20, but I carry this thing on every international trip everywhere, and it just works. I've had a lot of adapters crap out, and this one is extremely solid. When we travel, especially internationally, we're pretty reliant on our phones for things like Maps, Google Translate, and doing messaging via WhatsApp with Airbnb hosts. So the last thing you want in that circumstance is for your phone to die. That's why I always carry a portable power bank with me. This is the Anker PowerCore 3, and I've actually carried the older brother of this power bank for a couple of years, but I felt like it was time for an upgrade. You can charge your devices 3 different ways. There's USB, USB-C, and wireless charging, and that's what I was kind of interested in upgrading to. A couple of unique things and features. You can actually charge your phone at night, let's say, while you're replenishing the battery of the power bank itself. So that's pretty cool. It's also got this piece of plastic that kicks out and functions like a little prop for your phone. They didn't have to do that, but that's nice. And just a note on the wireless charging portion of this, it will charge through cases. It's Apple MagSafe compatible, but it is not magnetic, so it's not gonna like hang onto your phone all day. Super slick and useful portable power bank that I'm glad I picked up.
So this next little guy is called the Flight Flap. And I know it looks really simple, and it is, but it's very handy. So if you're one of those people that likes to download movies or shows to watch on the plane off of your phone, this little guy is actually super flexible and bends to allow you to prop your phone up. So you can either prop it up on the tray, or you can actually stick this in the back of the tray and fold it up to hold your phone so that you can go hands-free while you watch your shows on the plane instead of your neck cramping and you're like holding this little thing the entire flight. Now, when you're done with it, all you have to do is straighten it back up, and you can slide it into like a little convenient spot in your backpack or your luggage. This one's not for Nick because he's one of those people that watches the big screen on the back of the seat rest.
Or sleep.
But if you're like me and download on your phone, this might be really useful for you. So I love perfume. And I've had a lot of you guys ask me how I travel with perfume. And I found this really convenient product on Amazon called a travel perfume atomizer. And what this does is allows you to take your favorite bottles of perfume and you just pop the lid off and you can fill this container with your favorite fragrances. And it holds quite a bit. You can get 70 sprays worth of perfume in this container. It comes in a pack of 3, so you can travel with multiple fragrances. And it's made of acrylic and
aluminum.
So it's not gonna be glass, so it's less likely to break in your bag and much easier to travel with than these big old bottles that are glass of your perfume. And this is how I'm gonna actually travel from now on with my perfume, and hopefully can help you take your favorite fragrances on the road. So this is an item that we've talked about a couple of times on our channel, and we definitely recommend this product for you solo female travelers, but it is this additional security door lock. So this is in addition to the lock already on the door. You just slide this into the door frame and then use this to lock the door, and it's just an additional piece of security and peace of mind when you're staying in a place like an Airbnb, or if you've got like a single hostel room that you're staying in. It really is just that added peace of mind to where you're staying.
What's especially nice if your door doesn't have a deadbolt.
Exactly, yeah. And it's super compact, so it's not gonna take up a lot of space in your bag, but it's gonna give you a whole lot of peace of mind.
Yeah. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see any of our other videos where we've covered awesome Amazon travel products, you can check it out. It'll start floating like over my face right now. See ya. Happy travels.